Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing so well. So as promised, today's video is going to be all about my first month on TikTok, and I did a 30-day TikTok challenge, and needless to say, it was pretty game-changing and life-changing and business-changing, so I can't wait to tell you all about it. If you're new here, my name is Megan, and I love sharing my business journey and building confidence and finally going after my dream life. So if you're interested in seeing more about my TikTok journey, then just keep watching. So the last couple of weeks and actually a couple of months have been really game-changing, and I think it's for a few different reasons. I ended up taking a workshop with Kaylee, and that was kind of how I had perked my interest into TikTok. I had seen Gary Vee talking about TikTok a ton, and I had left the notifications on my phone for like 2 months so that it would annoy me and it would pop up and I would see the TikTok notifications, and I did that on purpose to remind me to invest some time in there, and I like dove in hardcore to TikTok. Before I actually started jumping into the challenge, I just spent some time going through TikTok, really looking at what type of content was on there, what I was really attracted to, what I thought I might want to create or be able to create, and then I started saving different videos I liked. I started saving different songs that I liked, that kind of thing, and just really like taking note and learning the platform. Next thing I did was jump in and start making videos, which is definitely the scariest part. Like, you're gonna suck. It's like anything, you know, like the first couple aren't probably gonna be your most ideal, and that was another reason that I just kind of quietly started. I was able to post things and delete things and really not have to care too much about who saw it. I just really went into it having fun. After trying a couple different types of content, there were a few of my videos that started performing a bit better, and I was able to track a little bit more of what people were liking. Now there's two sides to this. One of the first videos that was quite popular, I think kind of became popular because it was more like in that single girl realm, and so I think that's kind of how TikTok like labeled me and the type of people that it was showing my content to. You do kind of want your ideal TikTok community, because I am using this overall as a tool to build my personal brand and my business. Another thing is that I was really mindful of the captions I was using, the hashtags I was using, and the songs that I was using. So kind of like Instagram, TikTok's algorithm is going to be categorizing you based on the type of content that you're putting out. I tried to be mindful to keep mine mostly to like lifestyle and business, that kind of thing, things that are more motivational, but these are just things to be mindful and to start watching out for, and the more I learn, the more I will definitely share with you guys. It's really important, I think, just in any capacity, if you have the ability to connect with and to answer the people who are taking the time to connect with you, then do that. You know, that's just like common human courtesy, and I felt that support so much. And in creating and releasing my course, a ton of people who have purchased my course came from TikTok. I have a coaching client in my 8-week course that came from TikTok, and so there really is value there if you put the energy and the intention. And one thing that I want to really focus on, and this is one thing strategy-wise that I could say with 100% certainty that it works, is going live. So the moment I hit 1,000 followers, which I think was after like a week or something like that, like it wasn't very long, a week or 2 weeks, I hit 1,000 followers and I started going live, and I really made it a priority to go live like probably once every other day, I would say. And live on TikTok seems to work quite a bit differently than Instagram. It seems like there's people who kind of TikTok live hop, and so I would come out of TikTok lives like without fail probably 20 followers and inbox messages that are in relation to my business or things that we were talking about. And TikTok has been this really amazing place, and I think I've really connected with people. So if you're spending any time on the platform and you do have the ability to go live, go live. And it's really cool. It's just like fun in general. It's also interesting because on TikTok live, people can give you gifts. So it's nothing crazy, but I think I have like $1.25 or something like that in my little bank account of like real money that you can withdraw. So I mean, not bad for a month. As I mentioned, I will make a little bit more like strategy related TikTok videos as I learn more. It's been so cool seeing the power of social media and networking and marketing, and just the possibility that truly is there when you put your heart into it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did like this video, I would love if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe, and otherwise I will see you all in next week's video. Bye guys!